Hey, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rahul Motovlogs, and I hope you guys are really rocking wherever you are. And friends, thank you so much for staying with me and staying on my channel since a long time. And thank you so much for your support till now. And friends, I have a special video today. It's a different video because I know there are so many Nokia fans. Okay, so basing on that, if you have recognized my videos, I found like now for Nokia 6.1 plus, which is already stopped by the company, but right now people still love that phone and they do check out my YouTube channel and they do like the video where I have uploaded the unboxing of Nokia 6.1 plus, and it's really a nice phone, great phone. Right now my mother is using that one, and it's the build quality and everything is really awesome. And you will wonder, like, 2 to 3 times it has fell down and down, maybe from some shoulder's height, but still it's working fine and there is not a single problem. Guys, I have a video and I thought of, like, making this video on Nokia one. And I think it's been 7 6 7 years, I believe, when it got launched for the first time. The second day itself I have purchased this special phone. Okay, and it's running smooth, there is no problem at all. But the thing is, you can't use as a heavy usage phone, and you can't use lot of apps on this. So that's the reason you can see only few apps here where I'm using sometimes, or else for phone calls and for WhatsApp, for simple usage, it's perfectly fine. There is no problem at all. Since a long time I'm using it. This is the phone, and let me just show you more. And, like, no, see the usage also. If you're using it, it's quite fast, and it's purely Android One experience it is going to give you. So friends, this phone I'm using since a long time, and this phone I have ordered since the day it has launched. Okay, maybe 4 5 years it's been with me, and I'm using for phone calls and some simple usage for WhatsApp or as a secondary phone. And here I don't feel any lag. If you are using as a normal user, there is no heavy use in day wise. So it's a perfectly fine, and you can do simple browsing day basis. And Facebook also you can open it, and it's running on Android One, pure Android, stock Android, which we call. And if I'm going to the settings, I'll just show you. So as you can see, a lot of settings have come in the new Android update Nokia. So here, let me tell you one thing. If you have this phone, you will have one 4G. This one is a dual SIM phone, so one you can use 4G, one you can use 3G or 2G, but both 4G it's not possible. Okay, at that time, yes, it was good. And so it's running on Android 10. All right, so let me see any update is there. So it is updated, and as promised by Nokia, you will get the software updates, and still I'm getting the software updates. Okay, security patches I'm getting. Maybe I'll not get the new OSs, but security patches and a lot of features also I've got here, as you can see here. And this phone is really nice for normal usage. If you're looking for gaming and all, this phone is not perfect for you, but still it's a really a nice phone. And I think that time I purchased this phone maybe for 6,000, or yeah, somewhere 5,000, 6,000 it was. So guys, if you want to know more about this phone, do comment below, because I know there are a lot of Nokia fans, and we love Nokia since a long time, and the quality, everything is really good here. And here you can, here you're getting like a 2 megapixel camera, and you're getting a LED light, the power, but here you're getting the volume up, volume down button. And yeah, so here one camera, front camera, and proximity sensor is there. Then you can remove the battery, also removable. Okay, it's a plastic, but it's quite strong. So here you are getting a Nokia battery, 2150 mAh, and as the screen is not that much bigger, so this much battery is more enough to last the phone for the whole day. And you can use two SIMs here, one 4G, or either one 4G, one 2G, 3G, but both 4G you can't use. Okay, so that's the thing. And here you have speaker, this one, here the charging cable, and this one is normal charging, not any fast charging. All right, and yeah, so phone is quite good if you're looking for a normal usage. If anywhere you're getting this phone, you can purchase it without a doubt. I really like this phone, and I'm also a die-hard fan of Nokia. See, Android Go edition, this one, when it got launched. So overall this phone is really good, guys. If you really find this video helpful, and if you want to know more about this phone, do let me know. I will post some more videos on these. Okay, so that's all, guys. I thought of letting you know, or whoever is there Nokia fan in my subscribers list. So this is a kind of big gift for them as a Nokia lover. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and do check out the rest of my videos for other stuff if you're interested. And if you like the video, please like it, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe below. And do take care, guys. Stay safe, keep your family healthy and safe.